One structural fracture. That's all it takes for a single income to collapse under the weight of the modern economy. A secondary revenue stream is no longer a luxury, it is a survival tactic. But the gap between wanting a side hustle and successfully launching one is wider than most realize. The options are a wilderness, thousands of conflicting paths, each claiming to be the shortcut to freedom. Without a filter, you're forced to gamble, sinking limited capital and evening hours into dead-end gigs, sidelined by hidden startup costs, drained by immediate burnout. This friction leads to absolute paralysis, the inability to take the first step because you can't see the ground. Gut feelings are the fastest way to fail. True clarity comes from evaluating every opportunity through hard, actionable data before day one, a reliable compass to navigate the noise. The modern landscape offers a massive spectrum of paths for today's professional. From the high-tech frontier of AI-powered application development to the lucrative, tangible groundwork of premium car detailing, every path is viable, provided you understand the specific mechanics required to move the needle. Choosing between them requires weighing effort against reward with clinical precision, mapping out the exact monthly earning ceilings for every niche before you invest a single hour, factoring in the true weekly time commitment and the capital required to break ground. Your perfect match exists, but it remains hidden behind a lack of data. Well, that data has finally been organized. The Book of Side Hustles archives 80 distinct blueprints across 29 different industries. The specific roadmaps to navigate the transition to your second income are waiting inside. Click the link in the description to download your free digital copy instantly, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dive guides. 80 blueprints, one target. Discover exactly which one will be the ultimate catalyst for your new financial future.